Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video I have the Klim Wind, a laptop cooling pad that connects to your device via USB to help keep your laptop temperatures cool and down. Now as always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We hit 500 likes in the previous video, so let's try hitting 500 once again in this one. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Klim Wind is a laptop cooling pad that is used to help prevent your laptop from overheating and lengthening the life expectancy of your device. In addition, the cooling pad can also help boost your laptop's performance and can support laptop sizes of up to 19 inches. Inside the box, you get the Klim laptop cooling pad, as well as one USB cable that connects to your laptop to power the cooling pad and instructions on how to set up your device. So let's talk about the specs of this device. The cooling pad comes with 4 fans which can be turned on or off 2 at a time. You can control the fan speed, which reaches a max speed of 1200 RPM. The fan also has LED lights that switch on when using, however there is no option to individually turn off the lights. The device roughly weighs around 720 grams and has a max length of 40 centimeters. Now for some testing. The main reason why I purchased this cooling pad was because I noticed that my laptop fans would go bonkers when using applications like Premiere Pro or Google Chrome running in the background. Without the cooling pad, my CPU would reach temperatures of around 47 degrees and my GPU would average at around the 43 degree mark. However, when connecting the cooling pad, my CPU temperatures would average at around 43 degrees and my GPU at 43 as well. Unfortunately, I don't use my laptop for gaming, so I can't comment on the effects it has on the CPU and GPU for that. Overall, the cooling pad isn't going to dramatically drop the temperatures of your device, however it certainly does help keep your CPU and GPU cool by a couple degrees. In terms of pricing, you can pick up the Klim Wind laptop cooling pad from Amazon for around £23, and you can also find the Amazon link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Have you also had laptop cooling issues? And if so, what did you do to keep your temperatures down? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.